Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to print a square pattern in Java, just like what you can see right now. So let's get started. So now let's take a closer look on the square pattern. So the square pattern will look like this and its grid format will look like this. So uh, it has four columns and four rows. So now means the number of columns used is equal to the number of rows. So now we will keep this logic in mind and we will make its code in Java. So I've created a class named Square, and inside that class I have created a function named main. So our first for loop is going to be of for rows. So for int rows equals 1. So the initial value of rows will be equal to 1 till rows is less than or equal to 4 rows plus plus. Means this for loop will run till the value of row is less than or equal to 4. And then inside this for loop, we will create a for loop for columns. So for in columns equals 1. So we will take this value also as 1 till columns is less than or equal to 4 columns plus plus. We have taken it as 4 because we know that this pattern has 4 rows and 4 columns. And we have to fill the square with an asterisk symbol. So that is why system dot out dot print asterisk. Now after coming out of this columns for loop, we will just write a statement dot out dot println. So this statement is used for to take the cursor to the next line. So now I will just put the dry running of this code once. So for int rows equals 1. So now the initial value of row is 1. So is row less than 4? Yes. Row is the value of row which is 1 is less than 4. Is equals true. And then now the control will go to this for loop. So the initial value of columns is 1 till columns is less than equal to 4 columns plus plus. So is columns which is 1 less than 4? Yes, it is 1. Means this means this asterisk will print now. So I will just write the output here in this comments. So now we have printed one asterisk and now the control has gone here. But it's a for loop and now till now the value of columns is not bigger than 4. So it will again run. But before that it will increment. So now the value of columns is 2. Is 2 less than 4? Yes, 2 is less than 4. So that is why this asterisk symbol will again get printed. So now it will be printed here. And now the value of columns will again get incremented to 3. So is 3 less than 4? Yes, 3 is less than 4. Then again this statement will get executed and one more asterisk will be printed here. And now the value of column will again get incremented and now it will be 4. So is 4 less than or equal to 4? Yes, 4 is equal to 4. That is why the value of the that is why this statement will again get executed. So one more asterisk will be printed here. Now finally the value of columns will be equal to 5 because it is incremented. So is 5 less than or equal to 4? No. 5 is not less than or equal to 4. So that is why the control will now go out of this for loop to this statement. So now the cursor will come to the next line, which is this line. So now we have successfully printed one row. Now after this statement is executed, again the control will go to this for loop and the value of rows will increment this time. So the initial value of row was 1. So now the row So now the value of rho will be equal to 2. So is 2 less than 4? Yes, 2 is less than 4. So now again this statement, so again this for loop will get executed, and like this we will get 4, and like this we will get this square pattern. So I will just execute this code once. Okay. So you can see that it has successfully printed a square pattern just like what we wanted. So now if I decrease the columns, like now let's take it as 3 columns. So now it should only print uh, this means one column will be reduced. So now let's print it. So you can see that now still 4 rows are there, but only 3 columns are there. Now let's decrease the value of those ones. Now there should be 3 rows and 4 columns. So you can see that the number of columns is 4, but now the number of rows is 3. And now what will happen if we forget to write this print element statement? So I have uh, deleted that statement, and now we'll again run this. So now you can see that no pattern is formed, it's only a straight line. So that is why that system of a print element statement, which we write outside the columns for loop, is very important, because that actually gives you the shape of the square or triangle or whatever you want. So hope you all have understood this code, and that's all for today, guys. Bye, guys.